I was the prettiest girl in school. Everyone said so. I looked in the mirror every morning and smiled. I loved my face. I loved my hair. I loved everything about me. Every girl wanted to be my friend. Every boy wanted to talk to me. I walked through the halls and everyone looked at me. I felt special. I felt important. But I had a secret, a bad secret. I was not kind. I looked at other people and judged them. If someone was not pretty, I didn't want to know them. I only cared about how people looked. One day, I was sitting with some girls at lunch. We were bored. We saw a boy walking by. He was not handsome. His face was not pretty. "Look at him," I said. "He is so ugly." The girls laughed. I laughed too. The boy heard us. He looked down at the ground. He walked away quickly. I didn't care. I just kept laughing. 2 weeks later, my friend Sarah had a birthday party. It was a costume party. Everyone had to wear a mask. Everyone had to cover their face. Nobody could know who was who. I thought about my costume. I always wore pretty things. I always wanted to look beautiful. But this time, I wanted to try something different. I found an ugly mask in a store. It had a big nose. It had strange eyes. It looked scary and ugly. I bought it. I also bought an old, ugly dress. This will be funny, I thought, just for one night. I walked into Sarah's party. The room was full of people in costumes. Everyone wore different masks. Some were funny. Some were scary. Some were beautiful. I walked in wearing my ugly mask and ugly dress. People looked at me. They pointed at me. They laughed.
"Look at that costume,"
someone said.
"That is the ugliest one here."
Everyone laughed. They were joking about my costume. They were not joking about me. They didn't know I was under the mask. It hurt. It really hurt. I had never been called ugly before. Never. Not once in my whole life. I sat down in the corner. I waited for someone to talk to me. Nobody came. I watched pretty costumes walk by. People stopped them. People wanted to talk to them. But me? I sat alone. I felt invisible. Hours passed. The party kept going. I stayed in my corner. I just sat there, alone. I was so sad. Then someone walked toward me. It was a boy in a beautiful costume. His mask was golden and pretty. Everyone had been talking to him all night. He stopped in front of me.
"Hi,"
he said.
"Why are you sitting alone?"
I was surprised. "Why do you care?" I asked.
"I saw you here by yourself all night,"
he said.
"It looks like you don't have any friends here. Do you want to come meet my friends? You don't have to sit alone."
My eyes felt wet. Nobody had been kind to me all night. Only him. "Why?" I asked. "Why are you being nice to me?"
"Because nobody should sit alone at a party,"
he said. I slowly took off my mask. I showed him my face, my pretty face. He looked surprised. Then he took off his mask too. I stopped breathing. It was him, the boy from lunch. the boy I called ugly, the boy I laughed at. He saw my face. His smile disappeared. He looked sad. He looked hurt.
Oh,
He said quietly.
it's you.
He started to walk away. Wait, I said. I grabbed his arm. Please wait. He stopped. He didn't look at me. I'm sorry, I said. My voice was shaking. I'm so sorry for what I said that day. I was mean. You didn't deserve that. Tears came down my face. He looked at me. His eyes were soft.
Thank you for saying sorry.
He said. Can we be friends? I asked. Can you forgive me? He was quiet for a moment. Then he smiled a little.
Yes,
He said,
we can be friends.
that night changed me. I learned something important. Beauty is not just on the outside. Beauty is on the inside too. Now I look at people differently. I don't judge their faces. I try to see their hearts. Have you ever judged someone by their looks? For more English stories, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Lesson of the day. Costume. Costume is a special outfit that someone wears to look like a character, person, or thing for a party, play, or event. Examples from the story. It was a costume party. The room was full of people in costumes. Look at that costume. That is the ugliest one here. They were joking about my costume. It was a boy in a beautiful costume. More examples. I wore a princess costume to the party. He bought a funny costume for Halloween.